Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a pickup truck tire step by step. Begin by parking on a level surface, setting the emergency brake, and placing wheel chocks. Remove the hubcap if needed and slightly loosen the lug nuts while the truck remains on the ground. Position the jack under the manufacturer's lift point, raise until the tire clears the ground, and fully loosen the lug nuts before removing the wheel. Raise the truck carefully using the jack, confirming it sits squarely under the lift point to avoid slipping. With the wheel elevated, fully remove the lug nuts and set them aside in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Gently pull the wheel straight off the hub, inspecting the studs and brake surface for obvious issues, and prepare the spare for proper alignment before pushing it onto the hub. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation. I noticed great socks while filming. Socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and they kept my feet comfy during a long roadside job. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Place the spare onto the hub, ensuring it seats flush, and hand thread the lug nuts to keep it in place while you lower the truck. Lower the jack until the tire touches the ground, then tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even seating. After lowering completely, torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specification, replace the hubcap if applicable, and pack up the jack and tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.